Dear students, today I am back with another video, and today the topic is very interesting. The topic today for discussion is consumer behavior. Okay. Now, what is behavior? Behavior is a mirror in which everyone shows his or her image. Okay. Consumer behavior is the focal point of all marketing activity. It is the focal point of all marketing activity. Consumer behavior is a new field of study. Okay, new field of study. It is a new field of study because it helps the marketing organization to learn, understand and predict the consumer needs. Okay. Now, Professor Walter and Paul, okay, they have said consumer behavior is a process whereby individual decide whether, what, when, where, how and from whom to purchase goods and services. Okay. Now, the characteristics of consumer behavior. Characteristics. Yes. Number 1. It comprises of both mental and physical activity. Whose physical activity? Consumers' mental and physical activity. Secondly, it is visible and invisible activity. Okay, it is visible and invisible activity of again the consumer. It is the integral part of human behavior. Okay, and human behavior is very much complex and dynamic. Okay, now we'll discuss the significance of consumer behavior. Let us discuss small points, then we'll go for elaboration. First significance is that consumer have to travel a number of decisions before buying something. Okay, and consumer motive to buy product result in consumer behavior. Okay, now when it comes to significance of consumer behavior, there comes some points. First of all, in significance, the consumer must have need recognition. Okay, first of all, consumer need to have need recognition. Now what is need recognition? Need recognition is awareness of want oblique desire without whose satisfaction consumer feels restless. Okay, after the need has been recognized that what to purchase, then the second point is information search. Yes, what is information search? Here, consumers' willingness to seek further information about product oblique satisfaction. Okay, then again information search helps consumer to get adequate information regarding all products and services. Yes, the third point, after consumer has got all the relevant information regarding the product which he want to buy, the third point is evaluation and intention. Yes, this is a mental preparation. This is mental trial or mental preparation for the product to purchase, for the product or service which you are going to purchase. Yes, he developed intention here whether to accept the product or to reject the product. Yes, here in evaluation, the consumer evaluates product characteristics, yes, brand image, yes, convenience of the product of the product or services which you want to buy. The next stage is purchase decision. Purchase decision. This is the most important stage because it is positive intent which leads the customer to purchase the product. Purchase the product. It is the commitment of the commitment of the customer to purchase the product. Okay, it is the commitment of the customer to purchase the product. And if the customer satisfy here, satisfy with whom? With the product or services, then repeated sales of the same product take place. Yes, and the last one is post positive reaction. Yes, here two types of feelings come into play. First one is positive feelings. Second one is negative feelings. Yes, positive feelings, if he is satisfied with the product, he will recommend the product to someone else. Recommendation will be there, or repeat sales will be there. But if you don't satisfy with the product, yes, he will search the best alternative product which give him higher satisfaction. Yes, today we discuss you about consumer behavior. Yes, it is the focal point of all marketing activity. Behavior is just a mirror which shows everyone shows the errors. This is a new field of the study, and marketing organization help understand, predict about the consumer needs. Okay, the characteristics are, it is both mental and physical activity. We have the significance here. First of all, we have need recognition. Secondly, we have information search. Thirdly, evaluation and intention. Fourth is purchase decision, and the last one you got is the post positive reaction. Hope you like my video. Kindly subscribe my channel so that you get the next update, and tomorrow I'll be back with another video. Thank you so much for watching.